Hey gardeners! Welcome to the Wormy Garden, where we grow smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the magic of lasagna gardening, the ultimate no-dig raised bed. A lasagna garden. Sounds delicious, right? But we're not talking about dinner. Lasagna gardening, also known as sheet composting, is all about layering organic materials to create rich, fertile soil. Think of it as composting in place. So why do gardeners love it? First up, no digging. That's right, save your back and let nature do the work. It also suppresses weeds and builds super healthy soil by recycling garden waste. Plus, who doesn't love seeing worms thriving in their compost? You only need 2 types of ingredients to start your lasagna garden: greens and browns. Greens are the nitrogen-rich materials like veggie scraps and grass clippings. Browns are carbon-rich items like cardboard and fallen leaves. Let's break it down step by step. First, pick your spot. Choose a sunny area about 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. This size makes it easy to reach the middle from either side. Next, lay your base. Start with overlapping pieces of cardboard to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Wet the cardboard thoroughly. It helps it break down faster. Now start layering. Alternate between greens and browns. Begin with a 2-inch layer of greens, followed by a 4 to 6-inch layer of browns. Repeat this process, stacking your materials like a delicious lasagna. Finish with a top layer of compost or topsoil, about 3 to 6 inches thick. This will give your garden bed a nutrient-rich topping ready for planting. As you go, make sure to moisten each layer. Think of it like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not soggy. This is essential for the decomposition process and to keep those worms happy. Now, when should you plant? If you build your lasagna garden in the fall, it's ready to plant by spring. For a spring build, give it about 6 to 8 weeks before planting, or plant directly on top if you're in a hurry. Want to give your lasagna bed a nutrient boost? Sprinkle in some worm castings, rock dust, or compost tea between layers. These additions enrich the soil even further, giving your plants a head start. And that's it. Your garden is layered, watered, and on its way to growing lush and healthy plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow gardeners. See you next time at the Wormy Garden.